Alright, so I lied. I decided to come back out here and weld up a few things. Dial in my welder a little bit. Still spitting and spatting, but it's let's see, it's getting it's not the best, but it's working. So I'm gonna finish welding up this side. Maybe we'll weld up some more stuff.
Now give it just a little bit of post heat and should be good. Now when you're welding an axle, you want to take your time at it because it'll warp. I mean, this is something that's going to be underneath your rig. You don't want it the shape of a U. So take your time. I mean, you don't got to go anywhere. You don't got to hot bait or anything. Just take your time. You know, the more time you take, the better it's going to come out. That's at least my 2 cents.
Alright, so now let it cool for a little bit. I'm gonna come in here and stitch this up. I'm not gonna weld this right here yet. I gotta get a better heating system, and I'm kind of out of map gas right now. Well, almost out. So I'm gonna do what I can. I still gotta weld underneath here, all that. It's a lot of welding, but like I was saying earlier, take your time. So here we go.